Alright, quick walk around of the CX Racing turbo kit for the 3-valve S197. So, this is the first video I've made, about maybe 5 or 6 months or so on the kit with no real issues. Fitment was okay. There was a lot of clearance issues that we had to take care of. Some stuff that had to be moved. Added a couple other little assistants. Install wasn't difficult. Wasn't too time consuming. Quality seems to be holding up. So, I have the Sniper Manifold Gen 2. Swapped out the wastegate springs for a 5-pound spring until I get it to the dyno and know exactly what I'm running. According to online calculations, I'm up near the limit. Upgraded the power wires for the alternator and fuel pump as well. Those were from S&H. I got a breather vented from JPC for passenger side, atmosphere on the driver's side. So there is one of the clearances that is a little tight right there by the wastegate dump. Turbo is actually on this touching the radiator fan shroud, which the radiator fan shroud's already pulled forward about 1.5 inches or so, tipped forward at the top. Just trying to get you guys some view of the kit installed. I did use Lido for the tuning. He requested that we change out the S-shaped map housing for a straight pipe. And with the way the kit sits in here, the way I've got it set up, it actually just took a nice, I think it was 12.5 or 13-inch straight pipe. And I had a MAF flange welded to it. Went right together, no problem. This is an 0506 body, so it still has the thermostat resting all the way down there in that mess. That is not fun. If you have to change that afterwards, it's not going to be quick and easy. It did take some slight adjusting to get that to fit as well. I covered that in my post on the S197 forum. Still working out some oil draining issues being the low mount turbo. I do have a scavenger pump to install, I just haven't gotten around to it yet. So I do have some oil backing up, smoking here and there. Don't believe there's any real boost leaks. Not having any major issues there. Try and do a better edited video as time goes on. Just trying to get this out there before I forget.